Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe box time, you guys, and I am in receipt of my September Boxy Luxe box. And I can't wait to show you guys all the items that came in this Boxy Luxe box, so let's get right into it. The theme for this month's Boxy Luxe box is Glam Vibes Only. I got variation 70. You guys have heard me talk about the variations before, and the variation number determines which items are going to be in your box for that specific month. And the first item in my box is from Pharmacy, and it is the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola Cherry. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The info card states that this is a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. It says this product will deliver instant radiance to the eye area, and it's a clean formula and it's free of fragrance. So I love a good eye cream. I think I'm going to like this quite a bit. And the retail cost for the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola Cherry is $45. This next item is from Eloise, and it is the Queen Eyeshadow Palette. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. I used this palette to create this eye look today. I love the packaging or the presentation here on this eyeshadow palette. It says a queen lies in all of us. This is gorgeous. I really, really do like this palette. And then once you open this palette, you can see all of the beautiful colors that are here inside. This is a gorgeous palette. And I have to mention, I did not encounter any issues with this palette. The pigmentation was there. Everything was spot on. Gorgeous palette. And the info card states, the Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. The highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present. An era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in all of us. That is beautiful. I love this. This is a gorgeous palette. I am so glad to have it. And the retail cost of the Eloise Beauty The Queen Eyeshadow Palette is $46. This next item is from Persona Cosmetics, and it is the Season 1 Lip Gloss. And this is in the shade Honey, and I am wearing this lip gloss today. And it is a beautiful color. It's going to be a beautiful nude color on me. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And the info card states, remember the first time you wore lip gloss and how it made you feel sultry effortlessly and instantly refreshed? We took that magic feeling of a gloss, eliminated the tacky, glittery gooiness, and added nourishing oils to create a comfortable high shine formula that you will actually want to wear. So this is the Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss, and the retail cost is $15. This next item is from Fenty Beauty, and this is their Freestyle Kilowatt Highlighter. And this is what this highlighter looks like. This is the highlighter duo, so there are two shades in here. And this shade is called Sandcastle, and this shade right here is called Minted Mojito. So these are very different. I am wearing this highlighter today. I'm wearing the Minted Mojito, and I think that it turned out really, really pretty. It's very interesting, very unique blend of highlighters, so I'm super glad to add this to my collection. And the info card says, just when you thought Kilowatt couldn't get any better, Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighters enter the game with the same creamy texture of the original in a mega reflective foil-like finish. With intense metallic edge, these buildable color-rich illuminators come in rule-defying shades that look equally killer on all skin tones. And the suggested retail price for the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighters is $36. This next item is from Milk Makeup, and this is the Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask. So I've never heard of this. This is new to me. So that's one of the things I love about BoxyCharm, is that it gives me an opportunity to try out things that I wouldn't ordinarily know about. So this is what this looks like. And there's the mask. It's green clay mask. And let's see. I take a little bit of this on the back of my hand. It feels really cooling. I love a good mask, so I will be using this. This is absolutely wonderful. And the info card states that the Milk Makeup Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask is a solid clay mask stick infused with matcha green tea that controls oil, balances skin, and calms redness for a fresh complexion. And the retail cost of the Milk Makeup Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask is $25. This next item is from Pure, the Complexion Authority, and this is their signature travel essential 12-piece cruelty-free brush set. So this is super nice. I love the little container here, the carry container here. And this is what these brushes look like. Very, very nice. And we've gotten some other products from Pure in our BoxyCharm boxes before. We've gotten some eyeshadow palettes, and I really like everything that I've gotten so far from Pure. All the products seem to be really high quality. So this is one of the brushes here. It feels really, really soft. I like that. I love the pink color, so really, really cute. I love the fact too, like I said, that it comes in this little carrying case. And this is really nice because when we're traveling, it's super awesome to have this type of case to carry our brushes in. I am going to love this. This definitely will be going with me on my next trip. And the info card states, with the luxurious blend of irresistibly soft synthetic fibers, each brush is designed to pick up and distribute makeup evenly and precisely with less fallout. These professional quality brushes have everything you need to create a flawless look on the go. And the retail cost for Pure, the Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essential 12-piece cruelty-free brush set is $49. This next item is from 111 Skin, and these are Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. This is a 5-pack, so there's 5 individual masks inside of this one box here. And the info card states, the ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiant boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. So I love a good mask, and I'm liking the fact that we are getting quite a bit of high quality skincare products in our Boxy Luxe boxes. So I like that. And the retail cost for the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, the 5-pack, is $135. Let's repeat. The 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Face Mask is $135. This next item is from Ahava, and this is the Mineral Hand Cream. And the info card for this item says, treat your hands to a light but luxuriously rich hand cream that helps keep the skin and cuticles healthy and protected from the elements. This best-selling formula is made with nutrient-rich Dead Sea water and soothing witch hazel. This product is formulated for daily use to elevate the look of skin's moisture. And the retail cost of the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream is $36. So just in case you don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription, and Boxy Luxe is an upgrade to your normally monthly subscription base box or premium box that you would receive on a monthly basis. So for all the items that came in my particular Boxy Luxe box for the month of September, the total cost was $389. You guys know that I paid substantially less than $389 for my subscription. I don't even pay $389 annually, I don't think, for my BoxyCharm subscription. So the box is well worth it. So if you're interested in signing up to receive a BoxyCharm box, I'll leave a link below. You can use that link to sign up, or you can go to www.boxycharm.com. You can sign up there to start receiving your own box. So I used some of the products out of my Luxe box to create this look, so let's get into the demo portion of this video. So my face has been prepped, eyelids have been prepped, we're all ready to go. And I'm going to start off with this shade right here. This shade is called Empire, and I'm going to use this as my brow bone highlight. Easy does it with these shadows. They appear to be extremely pigmented. I am now going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Sheba, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I'm now going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Kingdom, and I'm going to use this in the crease area. And these two colors look so beautiful. This is Throne and this is Powerful. And I'm going to do a halo eye today. So I'm going to start off with Throne first. And I'm going to place this on the outer V and the inner V of my eye. This is Throne on my eyes right now, and in the pan, Throne looks to be a little bit more of a blue, but it's showing up more as a purple on my eyelids, but that's okay because I do believe this shade here, which is Powerful, is going to look really, really pretty up against Throne. So yeah, I'm going to use Powerful in the center of the eye, this open space that I have left here. That's really pretty. I'm going to blend these two shades together. I'm going to go back into Kingdom once again, and I'm going to use my Sigma E36 brush, and I'm going to add just a little bit more definition into this look. This is looking really pretty. So I am going to add my liner and my lashes. I'm also going to finish up my complexion, and I'll come back when it's time for us to add some highlighter and some lips. I've added my liner and my lashes, and my complexion is done. Since I already have a purple liner on my eye, I'm going to go back into this shade Kingdom, and I'm going to use this to smoke out my waterline. This is a very pigmented palette. I love it. I'm going to use the Kilowatt Foiled Highlighter Duo from Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to use the shade Minted Mojito. That is this shade right here. This shade looks green to the natural eye, but I'm thinking it's going to pick up some of the purple, so yeah, this should be really pretty with this look. It's different, but it's pretty. What do you guys think? It is now time for lips, and I'm going to use a lip pencil that came in one of my previous BoxyCharm boxes. This is from Bodyography, and this pencil is in the shade Rosewood. And then I'm going to follow up with the lip gloss that came in my Boxy Luxe box. This is from Persona, and it is a shea butter and avocado oil lip gloss. It's in the shade Honey. So yeah, I'm going to line my lips, and then I'm going to apply my lip gloss. It's pretty. Another beautiful nude lip shade for me. I am super excited about all of the items that came in my Boxy Luxe box for this month. I really love the Queen palette from Eloise. The eyeshadows in this palette are extremely pigmented, and I did not encounter any kick up in the pan or any fallout while using these shadows. Awesome, awesome eyeshadow palette. The Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil Highlighter Duo is gorgeous. It's super fun, and it's beautiful on the skin, typical from all the products that come from Fenty Beauty. And the lip gloss from Persona in the shade Honey is a gorgeous neutral shade. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.